Poo, 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 poo.
Yogi,
Hello.
yo, bro.
Yes.
If I ever meet you in real life, I'm not saying I will, but if you, if I ever do, maybe like you could wear like black glasses and like a tan.
Of course, bro. Yo. All right, hold on. I'm gonna change my avatar. Hold on. Okay, glasses.
No, like if I ever meet you in real
Wait,
life,
no. I'm talking about my avatar. Hold on, 1 second.
oh,
Let me see this. Okay. Now where's the mustache?
you must
Mustache.
you. Yo, you look like an old man.
I will name myself Motion Sir. Alright. Okay, I'ma act like I'm the cool guys. Alright? Stay in the car, alright? Also you can come with me. But don't make a sound.
Yep.
Okay. This is Motion Sir.
I won't
Alright.
even make nothing.
Okay. No, you stay there. You stay there. We're going to we're gonna be invited for some tea.
Actually, nice.
Hello. Hello.
No, they're gonna ban us.
Hello.
Run!
Bro, get in the car, bro. Get in the car.
chasing us.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in. Oh, there's our car. All right, get in, bro. Get in. Get in. Get in, bro. Get in.
Yeah, well,
Wait.
if I ever meet you in real life,
Okay, we're done talking.
no, well, I'm just saying what you could wear.
Really?
Yeah, I'm saying what you could wear if we meet in real life. So if we meet in real life, maybe you could like get a ski mask and like black glasses so I can't see your face.
Hey, bro.
What?
Say 6'7".
Um, 7'6".
No. 6'7".
6,
7. Say it.
67.
Yes. And I dare you to say Motion Millie.
Motion, Millie.
Yeah. Alright. Do you have a driver's license?
Do I? Of course I do. Look. I got the car right
Ah! A horse cannot drive! Get in the car!
Where do you think you're going?
Get in the car!
Going somewhere?
Yeah, we're gonna go show some people in the houses, but we don't know what's up. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's go.
Well, I think I hear you.
Ah! What the heck, man? Watch where you're going, bruh. Didn't say sorry.
Oh my god.
Still got my Motion Millies.
Yeah, we still got my motion nose.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, well.
Excuse me. Run.
Man, that person is literally parked in the middle of the road. What are they doing?
I don't know. Don't you drive like this?
Well, I barely even know how to drive in this game. Well, I have, well, like, this is my, like, second time playing this game.
Dang. I love this. I have a question. How's your friend?
Huh?
How's your friend named Emma? Emma, whatever.
Emma?
Yo, this guy took my house spot. Oh, I'm gonna sue this guy. All right, stay in the car. Hold on 1 second.
Well, who's Emma?
I don't know. I was just making things up. All right. You stay in the car, okay?
Yep.
If you stay in the car, I'll give you some ice cream. Eventually.
Ooh.
Alright.
Wait, I don't eat ice cream.
Okay. Oh! Oh!
Oh my god! You trapped me in there!
Oh shoot! Yo!
Did he ban you?
No!
He didn't ban me either.
Yo, what was he doing?
I don't know. I think he was chasing us. I think he was
Oh
mad.
my god! He just came
He
over.
came out so
He tried to whoop us, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my
Like
god!
you literally walked
He almost
in
called the cops on us, bro. He almost called the cops on us, bro. Wait, shall we go again?
there. No. Yeah.
All right, bad, okay.
Yo, you just turned into Brock for a second.
I know, bro.
Alright, bad.
Bad. All right.
Well, he did this house.
Let's see if he's still in the game. Yo, he left. Yo, he left, bro.
Let's just rob another house then.
Well, okay. How many houses are there?
How am I supposed to know?
Come on, you know everything, bro.
I'm not Verity, dude.
Hello, I'm Verity, your principal officer friend. Still got my motion millies. Have you ever throw a rock on someone's car?
Yeah, it kind of counts as
Oh,
a lot.
Rocky's calling me. Hold on, I wonder what he wants. Oh, sorry.
Yep. Bucket box.
I just.
Well, Rosie.
Yes, Tiana?
Well, don't call me that.
All right, Chris. Wait, where should I turn? Right there?
Yeah. Turn that way. How many times a second does the pulse But
What?
how many times a second does the pulsar rotate?
I don't know. You tell me.
It's 760.
Okay. Hey, guess what?
What? Whoa, you're about to pull off the mountain road? No.
Listen. I was singing 20th Century and Fox. With farts.
Yo.
Yeah?
Have you been alive since
Oh, wait. There's a house.
Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah.
Ay.
Wait, let's go to the blue house.
All right, we're gonna ask people if I want tea. Okay? Hold on. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can we have some tea? All right, get in the car. Get in the car. Okay. Oh.
Bro, I I think she was coming after us.
Oh crap! All right. What's the next door? Oh, hold on.
Let's do this one. Come on.
Okay. All right.
Where's the door at?
Oh, I think it's that door. Hold on.
Whoa, he's gonna ban me.
Oh, hello. What? No. Get in the car, bro. Hurry. Hurry, don't be a big bag, bro.
But why is this game so laggy, bro?
Just okay. Let's go to the tree house. Let's go to the tree house.
Yeah,
Wait, let me try the mailbox. Hold on. Wait, no, it don't work. It don't work. Brookhaven works, but not his. But it's fine. All right, ready? All right, you're gonna stay there, okay? Ready? Hold on.
Yo, the door's not open. Nice. Oh, you gonna leave me inside again?
No.
Well, I think I see a little child. Oh no, that's the ball.
Shall we break in?
Yeah! Break in, bro. Hopefully he doesn't lock the door behind us.
Oh, somebody's not there. All right, let's get out. Hey, guess what?
What?
Hey, give me back my car! Give me back my car! Give me back my car!
I killed him!
Give me my car. All right, let's go. Come on. All right, where's the other house? All right, where's the other house?
Maybe we have to go onto a different street.
Of course. Wait, Jim! Oh, someone's car. Let's go. Wait, shall we spy?
Hello.
Ah! Yo, he was about to kill me. I can't.
Why?
Oh my god. I think we lost him.
Yeah, I think so.
Wait, let's check who that guy is.
Well, we need to check more corners. Like, we need to go more corners so we actually lose him. Go up that hill, bro.
Wait. Let's see if. Let me call someone. Hold on.
Wait, is he coming? I'm not sure if he's coming.
I don't know.
Like, where is he?
I don't. He left. Wait, I think it's.
I think he left. Wait, bro, I gotta go to the washroom.
All right, miss. First of all, why is there two of me? I show.
Yo, bro, I'm back.
All right. By the way, anyways,
Bro, did you just let the guy in the car?
yeah, it was Jack.
Yeah, I know that.
It was
but
Hokey.
You
It was Hokey Jack.
you should have abandoned him.
But he's my. But yo, I thought it was your twin.
My twin, what?
Yeah.
We don't have no twin.
Oh, what the?
Yo, bro, we should, oh, I see a house, bro. What? Oh, no, we already went to that house.
Who is super?
Let's knock on this
Oh.
whole floor.
Wait. I think she has voice chat. Let me speak to her.
Bro, she's gonna ban you.
Felicia! Open the dang door! Oh, lady. Open the door, old lady.
Should we just break in?
Come on, great grandma. Wait.
I don't think she's gonna answer. She's probably mad at us.
What if I steal her car? Wait.
Let's steal a car.
Wait,
Yeah,
what if we, Hey, Nara!